We are so happy that you are considering Lansdale Catholic for your high school experience. When you decide to become a Crusader, you are becoming more than a part of a school community. You are truly becoming part of our family. And like most families, we are rich with traditions that we are proud of.
In 8th grade, I remember my mom was always really open to shadowing at different schools, so I pretty much shadowed at every school possible, from all girls schools to co-ed schools to public schools. LC was just another one of these visits. But one of the first things I heard in the announcements was, what does it mean to be a Crusader? I'm one of the students who doesn't like to let a question linger in the air for that long, so I decided to make finding the answer the goal for the end of my day at LC. The last class I attended was chorus, and I remember that the tennis team was called down from the announcements. At that moment, I realized that there is no real definition to what does it mean to be a Crusader. For one person, being Crusader is excelling academically, while for another, it's expanding and growing in our faith. And for someone else, it might be getting playing time and recognition in sports. What makes LC so unique is that all of us are our own Crusaders, and we all contribute to this LC family.
If you come from a grade school in this area and one of our partner schools in this area, you're going to find a lot of your friends here, and you are going to feel a nice, warm family feeling here.
One of the nice things about high school is that you can join a lot of activities. Learning is fun, but it's also very social. You get to meet people that you didn't know before.
Yep.
Or meet up with old friends and develop new relationships while you're here at LC.
LC has strong academic offerings, and our students are well prepared for college and beyond. The teachers have a connection with our students that is special, and you'll often find them here well beyond the school day, tutoring students who need extra help, cheering on our athletic teams, or praying with our students at our weekly Thursday night prayer group. Faith is very strong at LC, and I am constantly impressed by how our students are proud of their Catholic faith. Extracurricular activities are abundant, and our athletic teams have a strong tradition of success.
Going into high school, I was one of 2 kids from my grade school, so I was going in completely blind. I didn't know any of my peers, and it was a very scary experience. For somebody like me, I was very shy, I was very quiet, and I just kind of wanted nothing to do with the experience. But as soon as I was at Lansdale Catholic, I was welcomed with open arms into the community like I've never felt before. All the friends I made through my extracurricular activities have stood with me ever since and have helped me come to be the class president of the school, which I never would have thought was possible if you had told me that freshman year.
We are a small Catholic co-ed high school in Lansdale, Pennsylvania, with a very strong academic program where 98% of our students are going off to college after high school. Our students truly make up and embody what it means to be a Lansdale Catholic Crusader. Their learning happens inside and outside of the classroom each and every day. We're proud of their success, and they're prepared to enter the real world after their time here at Lansdale Catholic.
English here in today's society is definitely ever evolving. It's certainly changing. Communication happens in a number of ways, well beyond the traditional novel, traditional paper. And to that end, we've adapted here to ensure that all of our communication goals are met throughout the English department. Writing and reading, of course, don't just happen within English classes. This is something that is cross-curricular, and I think that we do well here. We say we educate the full person, and it's not just something that's on paper. We have a lot of dedicated teachers throughout every single department: science, math, English, history, world language, theology, of course, and the arts. And all of these people work together to ensure that our students can meet the demanding changes of the 21st century.
Over my time here at Lansdale Catholic, I've taken 8 AP courses, which will provide me with college credit to help jumpstart my college career.
Our STEM program involves phenomena, educational research, recommendations, counseling, roster suggestions, and guidance as far as college searches and scholarships go. Our administration recognized the need for a strong STEM foundation because so many of our students have gone on to pursue STEM majors in colleges, graduate school, and finally, the workforce.
LC offers a lot of opportunities to get college credit, either in school and out of school. I'm a diocesan scholar, which lets me take 4 classes at LC, and then for my second half of the day I go to Gwynedd Mercy University and take classes there for credit. But LC also offers dual enrollment, which lets you take college classes in the LC campus during 8th period, and they're offered in a wide range of colleges and in a lot of subject areas.
One of the great parts about being a part of LC is our activities and our athletics. We have so many students involved in after-school programs that kind of fit their needs, whether it's academic quiz bowl, whether it's more science, we have drama, we have athletics. Really, we're giving back to our community with our community service programs. Actually, 92% of our students are involved in some extracurricular activity outside of academics in the classroom. And really what's so great about that is that it builds a stronger bond with the school. Students get to know each other outside the classroom, and really they're building skills and relationships and other elements that will help them really in a post-secondary environment when they leave school and enter the workforce. And that can all be learned not only in the classroom, but through all of our activities and our programs that we have here at LC.
You're looking for a high school to have the most positive experience in the best 4 years you can possibly have. Our goal here at Lansdale Catholic is for you to create moments and memories that'll last with you for long after you leave, long after you graduate. Lansdale Catholic is a place where you'll be nurtured, cared for, taken care of, spiritually, athletically, academically, in all other areas. Here at Lansdale Catholic, you have a faculty, coaching staff, and administrative staff that supports you fully, that can nurture you, take care of you, help you grow as an individual, and help you create positives in not only the campus community, but the community outside of Lansdale Catholic. Our goal for you is to take these lessons and values that you learn classroom, court, field, and carry them forward into your life.
Prior to high school, I was a recipient of the Newman Scholarship, meaning I was able to attend any Archdiocese of Philadelphia school for free. I chose LC not only for the strong learning environment present in all levels of academia, but for the opportunity to play athletics in a highly competitive league, the Philadelphia Catholic League. Since my freshman year, I've been involved with varsity soccer, and I served as a captain of the team this year.
Our underclassmen involvement on our sports teams is very high, so if you're looking to make an impact on a sports team at the high school level, Lansdale Catholic is the place for you.
Here at LC, we incorporate faith into a lot of the things we do, one of them being sports. For myself, I'm on the soccer team, and at soccer, aside from starting and finishing every practice or game with a prayer, we are involved in Catholic Athletes for Christ. This is a prayer service where we practice our faith and grow as a team. We pick each other up as a team by promoting good sportsmanship, leadership skills, and teamwork.
When I was looking at high schools, I only knew 2 kids that knew they wanted to go to LC. When I came into LC as a 9th grader, I was able to meet so many new people through the arts and the music programs here. I'm really happy to be here at LC.
So the reason that I chose LC and why I love it here so much is because when I was coming in from 8th grade here as a freshman, I was kind of quiet. I didn't really talk to many people. I didn't think I would get involved too much. But then I saw the family atmosphere here at LC. Everybody reached out. There's so much to do here, so many extracurriculars. And so I found it really easy. And now 4 years later, I'm a senior. I play varsity tennis. I'm on LC TV, our morning news program, student government, and so much more. And it's all thanks to the atmosphere and the community here at LC. Everybody's so willing to help you out and get you involved no matter who you are. So that's why I would recommend LC.
LC has such a strong tradition of faithful families coming here and people coming together to pray and to serve the community, and that it continues to go through this day. And these are difficult times, times in which we struggle with that, but at the same time we see signs of hope. Every Thursday night we're here in this chapel for our Thursday night prayer group, and that goes all year round, even through the summertime. We have our Faith in Action class where our students are having the opportunity to put into action the faith that they've learned here. Our school masses are very vibrant. Our music ministry is wonderful. We have so many people who help us, administration, faculty, staff, to distribute Holy Communion. Also just everyday learning in the theology classes. Students continue to ask questions. They want to know, who is God? Does God listen to me? Where is He in my life? And I think as we try to, take sometimes baby steps to bring the faith to others, we see that grow every day.
I enjoy shadowing because it's not the post-propaganda you see on websites or in videos. It's the real deal and how you'll be spending the next 4 years of your life. Come schedule a shadow day to see what our LC family is all about.
The minute we walked in the building, we felt like we were home. The kids were just so excited, they were happy. Everyone, from the minute we walked in, made us feel so welcome, so important, and it was just every event that night, just everything was one better than the next. Every teacher was amazing, and I think the thing that impressed me the most was the constant reminder of the priority that Lansdale Catholic has regarding their Christian and Catholic educational values that they give to the kids as part of their mission for the school.
Family.
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 Family. Family.
Family.
Family. Family.
Family.
Come join our family!